Welcome to our cooking class. Would you like to cook with us? Great! Today we are going to teach you how to make a delicious carrot cake. You can eat during school break, at home, in the park, or whenever you feel like eating something yummy. It's a simple recipe and I am sure you will love it. Call your family and friends to cook with you. Are you ready? Well then, let's start! First, let's take a look at the ingredients. We will need, for the batter, 2 large carrots cut into small pieces, 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of oil, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. For the chocolate icing, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now that you know the ingredients, let's check the utensils that we will need to make our delicious carrot cake. A blender, a bowl, a baking pan, a wooden spoon. Now that we have seen all the ingredients and the utensils, it's time to start. First, let's prepare the batter. Put the pieces of carrot into the blender. Add the sugar, the oil, the eggs, and blend them together for 4 minutes. Then add the flour, the baking powder, and blend the mixture for another minute. Let's do it together. Come with me. Now the batter is ready. What's next? Grease the baking pan with butter and then sprinkle flour onto the bottom and sides of the pan. Pour the batter into the baking pan. Preheat the oven. Bake for 25 minutes. Let's do it! While we are baking the cake, it's time to prepare the icing. In a big bowl, mix the condensed milk, the chocolate powder, and the butter. Once the mixture is ready, place it into the microwave. Heat it for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, take the bowl out and mix everything together again. Then place it back into the microwave for 1 extra minute. After this extra minute, take it out again and mix everything once more and place it back into the microwave for another minute. After this other minute, mix everything again. It's very important to heat and mix the icing 1 minute at a time so that the icing will be smooth without any lumps in it. Let's do it! Now the mixture is ready. Let's place it in the microwave. Fantastic! The carrot cake is baked. And the chocolate icing is also ready. Now let's pour the chocolate icing over the cake. Delicious! Now our carrot cake is ready. Let's try it, shall we? Yummy! Did you like this recipe? Leave a comment below and tell us who would you like to invite to make this delicious recipe with you. Follow us and we will notify you whenever we have any new episodes. Enjoy!